Hi, I'm Tracy. I'm 50 years old, and I joined R3 in, I believe it was April of 2019. Um, I had tried many different things. I've gone to Good Life. I tried losing weight on my own, tried all kinds of weight loss diets, many different things, and found that nothing really stuck. Like I couldn't keep the weight off. I couldn't stick with a program. And then a friend of mine said to me, "Hey, I heard about this place, R3. They have a little black dress challenge. Why don't you come check it out with me?" So I went and checked it out and, met with Coach Crystal right off the beginning. And I just had a connection. I felt like she understood what I needed. I felt like, listening to her talk about, the three pillars: mindset, nutrition, fitness. I just felt like all three really resonated with me and was something that I needed in my life. So I made the plunge and I decided to join R3. Um, you know, um, in the beginning, I kind of thought, that it was, maybe it was a lot of money, but to me, it was something that I wanted to do for myself, invest in myself. I have my kids in all kinds of programs. They do hockey, they do baseball, but I'd never really invested in myself. Sure, I did Good Life, but to me, that was an investment. I was just kind of winging it on my own. I really wanted to make a positive change in my life, so I thought it was time to do something for me, and my family was really supportive about it. And so I decided to take the plunge. And I think with me, it's really worked for me because the mindset has helped me, dig deep into, why have I always struggled with weight? What has always held me back? So I've been able to, really do a lot of work on myself, which has helped all the other components fall into place. Nutrition was, a bit of a struggle in the beginning. And then once I got used to it and started making right choices, it was a lot easier. The fitness aspect, for me, it was about making sure that if I was making this investment, I was going to make the time to make sure that I was attending classes and I was giving it my all. I lead a very busy life, mom of two boys, and very busy occupation, which I'm sure most people are as well. And I just decided I was going to make the time. So I carved out, the class schedule, and I made sure that I was at every single class. I made sure that I was eating right, and I made sure that I was attending the mindset coaching classes because they were really beneficial to me. So after being in the program for a year, I've lost 50 pounds, which is amazing. Going into it, I never thought that I would be capable of that. It was always a dream in the back of my head that, maybe I could lose that weight. But I was able to do it, and I lost 50 pounds. I don't have my exact number of inches. I know that was a lot of inches, but I know body fat percentage for me, I believe it was 38%, and I went down to 26% body fat, and which was amazing. And it makes me feel very proud. I feel very healthy. I feel very good about the journey I'm on. And I really feel like, not only by joining R3 did I, gain confidence in myself, lose weight, become stronger and more fit. But I also gained a community of supported, like-minded people who all want to achieve the same goals and who are all very supportive of each other. And, sometimes when you think you're the only one going through something, you find out that, there's somebody else that's experiencing the same thing as you. And it's motivating, and it makes me proud to be a part of this group. And I'm proud of myself and everything that I've accomplished, and everything that I still would like to accomplish. I smashed a lot of goals. I still have some goals that I want to, complete. Throughout this, I've become a runner. I enjoy running now. My goal I've run 5K. My goal was to run 5K in 30 minutes. My next goal is to run 10K. And then a goal after that, I don't know. We'll see. And, there's still some toning that I would like to do. So there's still lots to work on, and it's still a journey. And, but I know that I'm capable of anything now. And I know that I can do this. And it's all thanks to everything that I've learned at R3 and the supportive coaches that have helped guide me along the way. So, if you're nervous or you think that, I'm not sure, I say go for it, and you won't be sorry, and you'll be amazed at what you can accomplish and what you can do. And you'll be amazed at the weight that you can lose if that's what you're wanting to do. So that's my story, and thank you for listening.